I'm Mark Haynes, the locksmith for the Indianapolis-Marion County Building Authority. Our main feature building now is our new Community Justice Campus Center. The building layout is a 12-story building. We have approximately 60 courtrooms. We have the clerk's office, and the building also backs up to the Marion County Sheriff's Department. And then we also have the jail within the same facility. The LCN Senior Swing that we installed in the building was on a high traffic door that a lot of our attorneys come through on a daily basis. It's a double door from the outside, comes to a single door to get to the main entry into the building, but it just created a vacuum tunnel for all kinds of wind. The wind issue that we had on the door was prohibiting the original auto operator that we had on the door from shutting completely all the time. You would hear door whistling, the door would slam. We haven't had a single problem with that door since we've installed the new auto operator. I have a weekly preventative maintenance schedule that I go through, so I've been checking that door sometimes more than once a week. Go down and I'll ask the deputies that are watching the door to, hey, is the door still working? Is the door still opening and closing? And they're always saying, yeah, no problems.
The door works a lot more smoothly now. It will open not slow, but fast enough for them to get through, and it doesn't slam shut anymore.
We were actually just discussing about when we had big temperature changes, how it wasn't working correctly each year previously. Ever since we've installed that Senior Swing, we haven't had any issues. I would say that the install process was probably closer to a 10 out of 10. It was very easy. Thank you guys for all the help that you've been on it with LCN and Legion, and it stopped some of our calls so we can put our time on something more important.